Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the makeup look I am going to share with you all today. This is my version of a very quick and simple to create Indian festive makeup look that works with any outfit you are going to wear. I am going to use the Color Bar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion to prime my skin. Then I am going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Water Foundation. And then I use a sponge to blend it in. Now I am going to use the Etude House Brow Pencil. Align the bottom of my eyebrows and make upward strokes to give it that natural, fluffy kind of look. For the eyeshadow, I am using the NYX of Tropic eyeshadow palette. Firstly, I am going in with this yellow mustardy eyeshadow colored around my crease and really blending it out. Then I am using this orange, very warm tone brown all around my lid and blending it in with the yellow shade. Now I am going to use the Nykaa Kajal, line it really close to my lash line and then using a pencil brush to smudge it out and smoke it out. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and under my eyes and on my T-zone, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin, between the eyebrows, those usual areas. Then I am using my favorite brush to blend it all out. Now I am going in with the NYX contour palette and using this light yellow shade to set my concealer, and it also provides me some sort of brightness. Then I'm using the contour shade to obviously contour and sort of also bronze my skin again onto the hollows of my cheeks and around my chin, my jawline, and also to contour my nose. I know it looks hard, but now I am blending it out with my sponge and it looks natural. Then I am using the Wet n Wild Color Iconic blush in shade Mellow Wine. I go heavy with blush. Then again, I am going in with the Nykaa Kajal, lining my lower lash line and smudging it out with the pencil brush. And going in with the brown eyeshadow, really smoke it out. Now I am using the Maybelline mascara. Then using the Makeup Revolution Golden Sugar 2 palette and that golden highlight to highlight. This is one of my favorite highlighters if you don't already know that. Also highlighting the bridge of my nose and my inner corners and my brow bone. So this is my first lip combination. I did end up changing the lip color later on, but this is what it is. All the products I have used in this video will be linked down in the description bar below. So if you're interested in any of those, you can just check the description. You will also get the links in there in case you're interested to buy any. And creating those, I don't know, what are these called? And this is the completed look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, learned something, and I hope that you all will recreate. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video and comment down below what you feel about the look and which lip color do you like the most, the first one or this light nude lovely shade. That's it for today, guys. Bye.